Şara, with its pioneer and innovative identification, associated his reputation with high quality throughout the world since 1985. Şara has a leading position in the field of energy transmission and distribution, with its experienced and specialized team, modern facilities, and especially with his management principles that value people and social responsibility. Şara is one of the most prominent companies in the world through its design team that can annually design and also conduct type tests of hundreds of towers, its contracting team that can simultaneously execute even more than 30 turnkey projects, and its manufacturing capacity of a total of 538,000 tons. The working principles set by its founders as achieving the best serves as the summary of 30 years' history of the company. Energy transmission line towers and hardware, substation steel structures, bolts, highway guardrails, lighting and GSM poles represent the product range of Şara's 5 factories in Adana and Ankara, with a 480,000 square meter open and 110,000 square meter closed space. Şara, through its high production capacity and provision of employment for more than 2,000 workers, is one of Turkey's largest 200 industrial enterprises. Şara is the first company in Turkey and one of the few in the world that can produce all of the aforementioned products within the same group and simultaneously provide turnkey construction services in the areas of power transmission lines, open and gas insulated substations, back-to-back converter stations, energy distribution systems, and telecommunications projects. Şara broke a tough record and completed 80% of high-voltage transmission lines with an approximate length of 1,000 kilometers that the Turkish Electricity Transmission Administration had tendered in 1 year. At the same time, Şara is the first Turkish company which undertook the project of Van Back-to-Back Converter Station, to be constructed as the first project in Turkey for the purpose of transnational energy connection. Şara conducts export operations in a short time and in the best manner due to an experienced foreign trade team and its factories located 60 kilometers away from Turkey's 3 most important ports. It supports this attribute with a wide sales network and an experienced marketing staff, as it has accomplished to become one of Turkey's most important exporters, with its annual foreign figures exceeding $100 million to more than 120 countries, such as Algeria, Canada, Germany, France, Belgium, Colombia, and Turkmenistan. Şara has 4 factories at Adana within the same site. The biggest one is the Energy Transmission Line Factory, which has an annual 200,000 tons of steel manufacturing capacity. Şara manufactures energy transmission towers up to 800 kilovolts, substation steel structures, and also heavy steel construction for air and gas turbines. Şara is one of the 3 main providers of General Electric Company in the world and also has a supplier of many other prominent companies. The factory is one of the most modern and pioneer facilities in its field, with its CNC benches and its capacity of manufacturing and welding according to European, American, and Canadian standards. Şara runs a new galvanization facility with 200,000 tons of annual galvanizing capacity located at the same site. The facility provides optimized coating thickness and quality by means of computerized process control system. Steel parts up to 12 meters in length can be galvanized in 1 drop. With these specifications, the plant is one of the leading facilities in the world in its field. Şara's Bolt factory provides services with its 24,000 tons of manufacturing capacity and up to 12.9 quality M52 diameter product range used in automotive, defense industry, heavy equipment, infrastructure, and many other industrial sectors. Along with its more than 30 automatic cold and hot manufacturing benches, automatic heat treatment ovens, galvanization facility, its own jig and casting mold manufacturing plant, testing and control labs, control instruments with laser measurement abilities that provide 0 error by 100% checking. This factory is one of the most important integrated investments in the region. Şara has proved this by becoming the first Turkish bolt producer for a tough climate like Canada. It also carries the pride of supporting Turkey by supplying tank bolts to the Turkish armed forces as a company that is consisted of 100% Turkish capital. Şara's hardware factory at the Adana site manufactures insulator and conductor hardware up to 800 kilovolts. It creates an annual production capacity of 12,000 tons with its cast molding and jig manufacturing plant, forging, casting and machining ateliers, electrostatic powder coat oven, and electro-polishing lines. The type and factory acceptance tests that examine the compatibility of the products to specifications are carried out at its laboratories. On account of its superb designs, abilities of manufacture and control, Şara hardware products have been sought out by the electricity administrations with its 70% Turkish market share in high voltage level and previous experiences with conducting design and type tests in line with specifications of the numerous countries such as Ireland, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and many others. Şara's factory in Polatlı, Ankara includes a galvanization facility along with full automatic plasma cutting, bending, and welding benches. At this factory, 36,000 tons of energy transmission line towers and steel construction, 18,000 tons of lightning, projector, flagpoles, and 48,000 tons of highway guardrails are manufactured. Aside from its 40% domination in the Turkish market, due to its impeccable products,
Şara is one of the most preferred companies by countries such as Azerbaijan,
Gambia, Rwanda, Georgia, Russia, regarding polygon energy transmission line poles and lighting columns. Şara inspects the entire raw material, all stages of the manufacturing process, packaging, and dispatch in accordance with the latest standards via its experienced and independent quality control, environment, health, and security teams. It offers quality assurance and control activities with quality management certificates such as the CE, OSAS 18001, ISO 14000, ISO 9000, ISO 16949. Şara continues to increase its reputation within the global sector and pursues perfection in manufacturing with a wide spectrum of products, high capacity and quality, and in construction as a result of timely completion of every project with diligence.